Wonder what's attached to those
Chicken, it's my chicken boots.
chicken boots.
I've had these for a long time.
Well,
That's my chicken boot. I've had these for probably about 3 years.
we got chicken boots and we got paws. Scraggly.
Look,
he looks like a behemoth.
Put it beside of Ace. Look at us. Aww.
He looks like a willy wogger.
What's a willy wogger?
Hey, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Look, I'm down the steps coming here. We
Yeah.
are heading to the Grove, and we're gonna get probably in trouble, yelled at, and saying stay away from us, turn off the camera. But we're gonna do a sneak peek and beat on everybody's door and sell everybody.
We're not going to beat on people's doors.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, hey, how's it going? And we're the welcoming party.
As we
Low battery.
We're the welcome.
There we
We're
go.
the welcoming crew. Okay, so we're going to go out through there. We're going to walk by, and we're going to see people going in and out.
Is that what we're gonna do,
We're
man?
not going to
Is
knock
that
on
the
their
rules?
door and wake them up.
That's
so
the rules, Ace.
That's the rules.
Yeah.
Here, let me
We'll
hold
see
it.
about that. I don't know. Here. You guys can see her.
Oh, Randy, the music.
Hey, okay, la
Yeah.
la la la. Let me turn it off. Here, let's go out
Yeah,
the door.
well, let's just
I don't
walk
hear
straight out the
nothing.
door and it'll be
Yeah,
fine.
we got fans blowing and everything. Can't hear that music. I think that's a recording of me singing earlier, Amanda. Here we go.
Come on, Ace.
Wow, look at out here.
Oh, yeah. Look at Randy. Look at he's all woke up now.
Ace has been in hibernation all day.
He has been.
We've been so busy, I haven't been able to go on the mountain.
Is that one painted? Is that painted, or is that just the way I'm looking at it? Is that green?
That has been painted, Amanda.
Oh, that looks pretty.
I know it.
It's like an avocado.
You know, the world is going to be blown away by the way this place is going to look
Oh, I can't wait.
when we're done. Look, we got walk the planks. It's muddy. It's awful here. It is horrible. I wouldn't live here for nothing.
Oh, I don't live here.
I wished I did. I do live here.
You do live here. Let me have it.
Here.
Okay. You said walk the plank. And I just did.
God.
Oh, what a mess.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah, but here's our look. Here's
I
our
wanna show
privacy.
that green
Here's our
one.
privacy fencing. We got our
Is
straw.
it? Oh, let me show. Oh, my goodness.
It's just getting it done, and we're on it. We got a crew of guys out here going.
So that's what it is, just so people will know.
yeah, skew it.
Scan,
Hey.
scan it. But that's it. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, and we got
you need
hay.
anything?
Oh, you're
Aw.
fine. She don't want to be on camera.
She's
Look, she don't want to be on camera.
Jessica's a force, man.
Yeah.
She is massive.
Wayne's been bragging on her.
Oh yeah, she's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, Randy.
What do you do now?
Look, what did he do? Who he? You he.
Ace, he'll lay
You
down
eat.
in the mud.
Oh my gosh.
Man, oh hey,
Look at people moving in. Let me go up here.
let's get over there.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's watch them just for a minute.
I want to get over there and bug them.
Shh, hush. Let's watch them a minute. I mean, they're working.
Let's go. Come on.
All right.
I want to go bug them.
Can we show the green one first?
Yeah, let's go show the green.
Please?
So it poured like a cow, like my dad would say, peeing on a flat
A
rock.
hot rock.
Flat rock.
My dad used to say a hot rock.
And so we're gonna come back and bring some more soil and gravel in here.
Look at the color of this one. It's really pretty.
Isn't that awesome looking?
Yeah.
Come on, we're gonna run out of battery. You know what?
Well, Lord, I'm trying to hurry.
Come on, Amanda. Hey, I'm gonna poke my head in here. Nope, nothing in there yet.
Okay.
Come on,
All right, Randy. No.
go.
Ooh, this
Amanda,
is...
don't make a fuss. This is the Grove.
Okay.
Look at her.
Ooh. I don't want to get them bad. I'm trying to find... Can I step on that?
Gotta look bad before it can look good. Look at you.
So.
It's awesome. Love it.
Oh my gosh. I'm cleaning off my boots. Look, I'm gonna get in this. Look here, Ace. I'm gonna get in a mud puddle. There we go.
You're stomping in the mud.
I know. Well, I'm getting my boots clean.
Hello.
Hey. We come to be nosy. Oh my goodness. Hey, how are you?
There
Ace,
she is.
don't you get on their stuff. Come
Ace,
here. You'll get
Ace.
it muddy.
We trash everything we get a hold of.
Everything. We tear up everything. Don't you get up there.
We were in town when the rain hit.
Hey, how are you?
I know
I'm
it. Then it
doing
hits
good.
again. So we got, I think, 3 or 4
Thank
days of good
you.
weather coming now, and we're gonna kill it.
We're using that porch just to dry that rug.
There you go.
Ace, come here. Come on.
Oh,
get back down
yes.
here.
Ace, you
come
get
on.
over here. Don't you get around our, you
stay
got
there.
mud. Oh my gosh, how's it going?
It's going. There's a lot of stuff that's in there.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
There's a lot of stuff needs touched up too. So,
Yeah.
write
Good.
a list like you said last week.
Exactly.
Yep.
Make
Punch
a list.
list, and we'll come in and we'll punch everything out.
Now, what is your address here? This is Olive
Olive Tree Way,
Way.
614.
614. Okay. Oh, there it is. They got the blue tape on there. 614 Olive
That's
Tree
what we're-
There's
Way.
your
I
address.
just saw the blue tape. I'm like, oh, there it is.
There you go.
But I counted on your videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Aw,
Yeah.
that's
That's
cool.
perfect.
Don't know where I'm putting it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I said, I confirm, and I was at the Tulip Festival
Oh.
3 weeks ago.
Yes.
Well,
Oh my gosh, that's great. Well, thank you for being here. That's awesome. You'll get all settled in. It'll all work out. Well, good. Well, this is exciting. We thought we'd pop over and just be nosy. Thank you all. Bye.